Hey guys, what's up? It's Lisa, and today I'm going to be unboxing the just released 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Apple updated their MacBook Pro from a quad-core to a 6-core. They also included a true tone display, meaning that the screen will adjust itself to the light and the environment it's in. They also updated their speakers, and I heard the keyboard should be much quieter, so that's what we're going to find out today. Make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe if you're new here, and let's start with the unboxing. Oh boy, I'm excited. Okay, let's start with taking off the plastic. I'm excited. The first thing you notice in the box is the MacBook itself. I got it in space gray because it looks so good and I really wanted one, so that's what I got. I will get to this part in a moment. In the box we've also got Apple's paperwork, which includes stickers. I'm sure it includes stickers. It includes stickers. A power brick and a USB Type-C cable, and that's it. Next, the MacBook Pro itself. This is so satisfying. Well, here it is, the MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna open it. I heard it turns on by itself, so I'm really excited to see that because I've never seen that before, because I used to have a MacBook Air from 2015. Yeah. Oh my god, it's turning on by itself. Oh, I'm so excited to see that. Set the language, which is English.
Use English as the main language.
Yes. As you can see, here's the True Tone display. I don't know if I'm going to turn it on because if I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna do color correcting, I don't know if you know what it is, but if you do, great. Okay, this is the first time using the touch bar, and let's give it a touch. That's so cool. Okay, it's actually way softer. And I'm so happy about that because I'm an aggressive typer myself. Okay, so that's all about the MacBook. Next, I already got these. So if you want it included in a giveaway, then make sure you smash that like button. And if you want me to do it, then please leave it down below in the comments. And I will be happy to give it to you because I got those already. And yeah, so give it a thumbs up and comment it down below. So that was it for this really exciting unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to do the giveaway, also give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Next smur.
What's up, guys? This is Austin.